Top 5 AI tools for students in 25. Save time and study smarter. Are you a student in 25? Then you're living in one of the most exciting times in history. Artificial intelligence isn't just for tech experts anymore. It's now your personal tutor, research assistant, and productivity partner, all in one. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 AI tools every student should know in 2025. These tools will help you study smarter, write better, and save hours of time. Let's dive right in. Tool number 1, Notion AI. First up is Notion AI. Notion has always been a powerful tool for organizing notes and projects. But with AI, it takes things to another level. Imagine this. You upload your messy lecture notes, and in seconds, Notion AI turns them into clean summaries, to-do lists, or even flashcards for revision. It's like having a smart study buddy who organizes your brain for you. Perfect for keeping track of assignments, deadlines, and exams. Tool number 2, Grammarly. Second on the list is Grammarly. Sure, you might already know it as a grammar checker. But in 2025, Grammarly's AI goes way beyond fixing typos. It improves the tone, style, and clarity of your writing. So whether you're drafting an essay, sending an email to your professor, or polishing up a scholarship application, Grammarly makes sure your writing sounds professional and mistake-free. Think of it as your personal editor, available 24/7. Tool number 3, Perplexity AI. Number 3 is Perplexity AI. If you've ever struggled with endless Google searches, you'll love this tool. Perplexity doesn't just give you random links. Instead, it provides clear, direct answers with sources attached. That means when you're doing research for a paper, you save hours of scrolling through irrelevant websites. You get accurate, reliable information fast. It's like having a research assistant who also cites their sources for you. Tool number 4, Wolfram Alpha. Fourth on our list is Wolfram Alpha. This tool is a dream for students in math, science, or engineering. You can type in equations, formulas, or even complex scientific questions. And Wolfram Alpha solves them step by step. Need to plot a graph? Done. Stuck on a physics calculation? Solved. It doesn't just give you the answer. It shows you how to get there, which makes it an amazing learning tool. Tool number 5, QuillBot. And finally, number 5 is QuillBot. Writing essays can be tough, especially when you're trying to avoid repeating the same sentences over and over. QuillBot helps by paraphrasing and rephrasing your text in a clear, natural way. This is super useful for improving your writing flow, avoiding plagiarism, and learning different ways to express the same idea. Think of it as your personal rewriting coach.